the year. Sam's back on the four-wheeler. Let's go. We're exploring this new logging road that they put in, and it's amazing because there's so much deadfall and burned trees from a forest fire that came through here. So it's kind of cool. This road was not here last season. So we're finally out. It's Memorial Day weekend, and it's going to be a good ride, huh, Sam?
Yep.
Yep. Let's go. That was nice because there's no rocks.
Yeah.
We're trying to drone. So this is our first time taking this out on the trail, trying to figure out if we can even film dirt bikes with the drone. And literally in this very moment, the wind just picked up.
That's the drone over there. We're gonna film, Dad gonna drop, here it goes. A little bit better than the first one. The first one was very weak.
We've been having fun with the drone.
Woo!
How's it look on there?
So as most people know, I'm the drone person.
The drone pilot?
Drone pilot, I guess.
You've gotten good at it. You filmed deer and turkey.
She's gonna cut to all the drone shots I've taken right now.
Taken.
I'm failing great.
Oh!
No, you're not.
This.
You want me to go like jump? You want him to jump over?
Put it directly over.
Oh, this looks better.
Mom, did you know that one over there was actually open the whole time?
That was a cool shot.
That
I got
was
him like he jumped, he went under and over.
That's cool. Nice. All that practice has paid off.
So I'm trying out a new front tire today. Not really by choice. I messed up a front tire and a front rim going down stuff like this. So I straightened out my rim as best as I can, and I had a spare tire, a Tuska Talon. Threw it on. Can't really tell the rim's bent on stuff like this at all. Only when I'm on the road going fast. It's a little wobbly. But it's Memorial Day weekend. I am not gonna get a new rim or wheel, whatever you guys like to call them, on Memorial Day weekend. So making do. So I have a Dead Star rim as stock, and it bent. I don't know what I did. I'm thinking either a rock really hard or a rut. And that. We'll pull over here on the side, get some folks coming down. The tire's working pretty good.
I'm gonna go to the end of the trail.
Okay. Sam's running behind. See how she navigates the boulder. Just go around it. Yeah. You didn't want to ride down that, huh?
That I won't ride down because of this.
The aspens still haven't leafed out yet.
No.
That's getting worse and worse, that drop.
Yeah. Happy to be in the shade. It's like 80 degrees today, which may not sound too bad, but when you're at elevation in the sun, it feels pretty warm. All right, I'll follow you. We got people. How was it?
I got you right where you passed.
Let's go. This is one of the steeper rocky trails. Got a ledge at the top. It's a little tough. It's a little bit of a drop for an ATV, not much. She's down. Yeah.
Sam didn't want to ride down.
There's Sam. He made it.
That's the end of our first ride together as a family. It's Memorial Day weekend and it's been a fun start to the summer. Thank you for watching. Bye.